Be ready? Start. Did a riot take place there in the past? Stop. The Supreme Court, in its February 25, 1998 judgment in Ram Lubhaya case, had said the right of a citizen to live under Article 21 casts obligation on the state. Stop. This obligation is further reinforced under Article 47. It is for the state to secure health to its citizen as its primary duty. Stop. No doubt, government is rendering this obligation by opening government hospitals and health centers, but in order to make it meaningful, it has to be within the reach of its people as far as possible to reduce the queue of waiting lists. Stop. The Supreme Court would like to have a fresh look at the facilities in hinterland government hospitals which have rotted over the last few decades. Stop. Let us not forget the queues before temples. Stop. In A.S. Narayana case, the Supreme Court described the queue at Tirumala Tirupati temple. Thus, Lord Venkat temple of TTD has its centuries old history. Stop. It had its glory with the patronage of Chola kings who donated large tracts of land for its maintenance and upkeep. Stop. Equally, it suffered plunder by French invaders and British Empire, which used its income as part of the public exchequer. Stop. It has regained its great glory with immense faith and devotion the people have in Lord Venkat, who visit daily in lakhs, wait in queue for a day for darshan for a few seconds. Stop. Did we ever hear of a riot at Tirupati temple? Stop. Last but not the least is the long queues of litigants before courts. Stop. There are 3 crore cases pending in various courts. Stop. Nearly 35% of cases or 1 crore are pending for more than 5 years. Stop. If on the average 5 persons are directly or indirectly affected by a case, then there are at least 5 crore people visiting courts periodically in search or elusive resolution of their cases. Stop. Going to court is not viewed sympathetically in India. Stop. People still look down upon on a person who often visits court. Stop. Yet commoners patiently stand in queues without rioting in courts while awaiting justice. Stop. The rich, famous and influential break this queue for justice with impunity with the help of successful liars commanding handsome appearance fees. Stop. The courts allow these biggies urgent hearing. Stop. This delays justice for those standing in queue for years. Stop. We hope the Supreme Court gives equal weightage to people's frustration and anger for being forced to stand before ATMs, banks and courts for long. Stop. This is our earnest need for the justice. Stop. We hope this will be taken care of. Stop.